Hello YouTube, this is Tornado Town Airsoft, and as you just saw, this is our Armory video. And let's start out. We've got the A&K Magpul Masada, which is the A&K's version of the Magpul Masada. And below it we've got a standard 300 round M4 high cap, three 75 round Magpul P-Mags, and one has the Magpul Mag Assist, and the 330 round high cap magazine that came with the gun. And we've got an Echo 1 tracer unit, fully automatic, 5,000.2 green glow-in-the-dark BBs. I'd say about 800.2 matrix BBs, .2s, 5,000 matrix BBs, .2s, 3,000.23 gram golden ball BBs, a Tenergy smart charger, a 9.6 1200 mAh small type battery, a 9.6 1600 mAh small type battery, a 8.4 1600 mAh small type battery, and 9.6 1600 mAh mini type battery, an 1100 mAh 8.4 mini type battery, and a 9.6 1400 mAh small type battery. And we've got two standard wall chargers, a Leapers CQB red-green red dot sight, a spring pistol that was my first pistol that I got for $5. We've got three 330 round standard high cap AUG mags. We've got the JG military AUG, or AU2G to be exact. We've got three 25 round M9 HFC mags. We've got the HFC M9 Special Forces fully automatic M9. We've got a bungee sling, a 1-point bungee sling, a 2-point sling, two mesh masks, a standard paintball mask, the CQB Master Alpha Black with a 52 round long mag. We've got a UTG thigh holster. We've got a blue bandana that we'd use to cover our necks. No, we're not in the crypts. We've got digital gloves for hand protection. We've got a Woodland digital cross-draw tactical vest. We've got a Woodland cross-draw tactical vest. We've got an Army surplus ammo holder. We've got an A&K MK43 Motto. We've got the 3,500 round electric winding box mag, and we've got two Midland walkie-talkies that would be used for standard communication. Yeah, communication. And that would be our Armory. Altogether, I'd give it about $2,000 worth of stuff. And thank you for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Peace out.